So I'm going to teach you how to use Smart Exchange. If you pull up your internet browser, type in Smart Exchange. This is your Smart Exchange homepage. You are able to browse by subject right here. If you click this tab, you can browse by grade, or you can browse by file. I'm going to go to subject and then click math. Okay, so there's 19,521 results. So if I want to search for something in particular, or grade level, or country, I'm going to stick with the United States. I'm going to go to what I teach right now, grade 2, math still, and I'm going to search for addition. Now the results have narrowed down to 765. So then you can look at best match, the newest ones that have been uploaded, the most downloads, and the most recommended. But if I just click on this first one right here, addition, then if you click on it, over here you will click download. And as soon as you click download, it will pull up into your smart notebook. So I'm going to show you. Once it's down here and I click it, it'll open right into my smart notebook and it's ready to go. And then once you pull it up, you can preview it, change anything that you want to or alter it, take things out, add to it, or do whatever you need to do to make sure it fits best for you and your class. So here you have your slideshow, and they're all different. They have different sums, but whatever fits you best, you can change it for your class.